Welcome back to Crypto with Lily. Today is Friday, so this is gonna be the last one of this week. And for the last one, you guys, we have chosen quite an innovative project because they are aiming to become the first universal payment solution for EV charging stations by using their P2P payment system. They already got the beta version of their app ready, and they are on the last stage of their public pre-sale. Their launch is supposed to be on the 31st of March, so by the end of this month, right? Right now you are looking at the link tree. So let's dive in and see what this pretty interesting project called C+Charge has to offer. So this is kind of an overview of it. Of course, they already got a white paper with a huge amount of info, which is always great. So later on, you already know, go and take a look at it, right? So C+Charge is building a robust peer-to-peer, as I mentioned earlier, right? So users will be allocating the individual electronic wallets, which they can use to pay for EV charging with the C+Charge utility token, right? They're also in kind to celebrate that. They are doing their beta launch of the C+Charge app. They are giving one lucky person, so that is something else that you can relate it on, because it's like kind of a giveaway competition, a drop-in that they are having in their community, so you can check out later on by yourselves as well. This is the info about their final pre-sale stage. You can see right there, you got the amount of time left, and so far they have been able to raise just a stunning amount of a little bit more than 3 million, right? And we still got, you still have time to be part of their pre-sale in case you want to, because remember, this is by no means any kind of financial advice, so that is your decision before they launch on the 31st of March, right? You can just click on buy now, or you can go directly to the white paper and take a look at the rest of the info. They are going to be on Bitmart as well. Now, this project, you guys, have been featured in tons of different news sites, tons of different articles. So let me just quickly show you two of those. So for instance, this one is the For Bitcoinist, right? So a project that has been in the market or working on this project behind the scene for a while. So some of the articles are not like recently made or recently released, right? And this is one of those. And you also got this one from Crypto News, right, where they are talking about, well, the project that is changing the way EV drivers and charging stations access carbon credits, the 10x potential, right? So that is the title of this article right there. Both of them quite interesting, and once again, there are few of them, so you can choose which one you'd rather to take a look at. Now, definitely pioneering blockchain powered charging. That's what, once again, what they are aiming to do, kind of what the project is about, trying to change the way it works at the moment, right? So you can just take a look at that. Some of the features: EV charging, their network, carbon credits, and utilities. So let's quickly go through some of them. For instance, EV charging, electric mobility is the environmental sustainable choice. C+Charge makes it easier and rewarding to take part in the EV revolution. Their network, partnering with major EV manufacturers. Later on, I'm gonna be going through the different projects or partners that they have, and also the ones that are backing them up. And operators, in addition to our network, to user in crypto power energy, right? Carbon credits, the first EV charging solution that rewards drivers with carbon credits by utilizing the C+Charge network. So once again, the idea is, because sometimes, you know, human beings, we need some kind of incentive. So they are trying to create this solution, but at the same time rewarding people that are going to be using it, right? So by using its app, once again, as you can see right there, you're gonna be getting some carbon credits, right? All that, of course, it's gonna be super easy to use. You're just gonna download their app and use it, and you're going to be receiving those payments directly to your wallet. Or at the same time, if you're gonna pay with it, just do it from the comfort of your car, from your wallet, right, your phone. Utility: unlike meme coins or other cryptocurrencies, C+Charge tokens have a unique utility for real life use cases. You already understand why they are saying that. Verified and secure: C-Charge has been fully audited by Solid Proof with team KYC verified and confirmed by CoinSniper. Later on, you can see the rest of their team. So they are fully doxed, quite transparent. All that info is available right here on the white paper, on the website. How to buy the token, so that you got different choices for instance just with BNB, USDT, BEP20, or top up BNB with your card. So those are, and also if you're gonna do it directly using your mobile phone, that's how you have to do it. Not gonna be reading any of that. A little bit of it's grid to fuel electricity, so multiple platform integration options, transparent and standardized pricing, and earn carbon credits, right? Now, let me go just to the last part of it where you can earn the carbon credits, because of course usually when people are looking at a project, they want to kind of know since the beginning how they can earn from it or how they can get rewarded by using it. So electric vehicles owners will earn carbon credits the more they charge and drive their EVs using the C+Charge network and utility token. So the C+Charge has developed a novel method to allow tokens holders to accumulate carbon credits through a reflection program. 1% of transactions will be dedicated to purchasing carbon credits that will be distributed to token holders proportionally, right? So partnerships, some of the partnerships they have, you can see right there. Actually, ton of them, pretty well-known names. You got James Labs, CSL Global, Flow Carbon, right? So those are some of the examples. DTC Group. Right now, pretty important note right here, by having this partnership with Flow Carbon, C+Charge partnerships, it's going to be allowing the chargers, so the community, to earn GNT tokens, verify voluntary carbon credits backed by Alos Crypto, Investcon, Samsung Next, right? So that was some of the partnerships they have, and also some of the projects that are backing them up. The roadmap, you just have to go through it later on. There is no need for me to do so because you can do it by yourself. Tokenomic, 0% transaction tax, a little bit of that right there. The team, once again, fully transparent, fully docs. These are part of some of the team. So you got the lead strategic advisor, then the director of business coordinator, and the rest of it, co-founder, marketing advisor, etc. All that information, you can find it right there. So the white paper, you guys, you got 25 pages of info. So you got the table of contents right there. You can later on keep scrolling and go through all of it by yourself. You got an overview. We kind of went through a little bit of this already, right? So the platform that has the potential to be utilized by municipalities to better manage their fleets and public charging stations while incorporating carbon credits into the incentive program for drivers to adopt EVs, promoting a sustainable future, right? A little bit more about like the problem statements and how later on, how they are trying to change of that. So the solution that they got to those problems, some key aspects. For instance, this project is going to bring accessibility of carbon credit market to EV owners or driver with their P2P charging payment system for EVs, leverage blockchain technology to provide transparency between EV owners and charging stations, real-time data transmission for diagnosis and charging system problems, right? A little bit of their mission and their vision, the blockchain, their centralized application. Now, let's make a quick stop here and do a little bit of reading. C+Charge mobile app or application will become the central platform for all EVs owners' charging needs. Aside from managing payments, the app will manage all the end-to-end activities associated with the charging process. The following are the features that the C+Charge application will incorporate. So you got carbon credit tracker, seamless payment for multiple platform integration option, geolocated easy access charging station finder, real-time charging wait times, and charging station technical diagnosis. So those are some of the features that are going to be part of this app. A little bit of how the C-Charge system is going to work. So you got the user, the EV charging station, C-Charge app, and the blockchain, of course, integrating all that. Real-time diagnosis, a payment, commercial parking packages, global charging stations, solar power charging stations, the NFTs. Now, this C-Charge intends to utilize NFTs that provide utility for its users. To C-Charge app will allow users to create NFTs of all carbon credits that have been earned through charging and token holding through its reflection program. Finding real-life utility and real-life use cases is part of C-Charge identity and focus, and it will strive to utilize NFTs that provide value and utility. But there are also so many other benefits for NFTs that focus on branding and promotions, and the C-Charge network will look to offer an NFT program that will work with car manufacturers in the EV space and other stakeholders to create special limited editions concepts incorporating EVs. This will be the purpose to further C+Charge identities in the EV space and further promote sustainability mobility for all. So that is a little bit of related with their NFTs. So you charge tokenomics, token allocation, token price, and more of the tokenomics, and then you got the conclusions, right? So that's gonna be the info that you can find on the white paper, you guys. So ton of you saw one pretty interesting one. Once again, this is not a project that we came across every day, right? So that's the reason why I also make the time to go through some of it, because I think it's a lot of key info, lots of relevant info to go through. This is how the app looks like. So you got to enter email, password, and then sign in. I'm not gonna be doing that, but later on, of course, you guys can go through all of that. This is their Twitter account. They are mostly talking right now about their pre-sale. Once again, so you know that they are about to end it. This is from March 20th, but actually the last one is from 2 hours ago, where they say take a look at the world EV market share by Invest and Wise via FR Ronconi, right, which ran, so a little bit of that. And this one is from 17 hours ago as well, when they are mainly focusing on their pre-sale. If you go to their Telegram account, it's gonna be also quite similar to the Twitter account. Actually, I prefer the Telegram account because they got a ton of messages right there. Once again, I pray that it's been working behind the scenes for a while, and they have been sharing, for instance, that info that I couldn't find on the Twitter account. Maybe later on, maybe you are able to find it, but I wasn't. But I did find it on the Telegram community. They have some kind of different AMAs. They also have like different community share info. So all that, it's better explained and in much detail it's a way in their Telegram community. Plus, that's the place where you can go and actually meet the people that are part of their community. And because once again, this is not a project that is not a project that we see every day. So like a meme project or just a play to earn project, that there are tons of those. This is quite a different one. So maybe you would like to also make the time while doing your job to go and interact with our community a little bit. Now, lastly, I'm just gonna show you, what is it right here? So lastly, you guys, you got the chance to be part of their Win 50K, right? This is just the amount of total entries, a very small number, so maybe you're gonna be one of the lucky one. You guys still got 10 days left to actually be able to be part of it, and this is how it goes, so the steps that you have to follow. I'm not gonna go through it because once again, it's something that you guys can definitely do later on by yourself. So once again, today's project was a C+Charge, a pretty interesting one that is trying to change once again, or to become the first universal payment solution for EV charging stations. Pretty interesting. They are already have the beta version of their app ready. They're going to have also integrated NFTs, and all the way how it's going to work, it's nicely explained in the white paper and also in their website. So make the time to go through all that info. Thank you very much. Have a lovely weekend, and we'll see you again on Monday. Bye bye.